Acurex Pharmaceuticals announced a new Phase 3 drug trial after the Phase 2 trial showed extremely high success rates in patients. This sent the stock surging over 60%, as market participants are getting in ahead of the upcoming earnings call. Even though the 1-minute MACD closed, the daily chart looked very strong, breaking out of a multi-month descending resistance level, so we turned on long mode, anticipating at least a retest of the daily highs. As price dips to the $0.50, the software strategically doubles down and immediately de-risks above break-even to lower our cost basis. Then, as quickly as it surges through new highs, a massive hidden seller dumps the price 50 cents in only a few seconds. A great deal of sell pressure exists at $5, and we see the software de-risk again in anticipation of further selling. The algorithm calculates a full stop-loss level at 478, but after our de-risk order is filled, this stop-loss level becomes a new double-down area. Price begins to chop for the next several minutes, but that's okay. Raider Trading positioned us to have a chance at profit whether the stock falls or surges. Thankfully, the software has to deal with this choppy period because I would have manually overtraded at this point. That's why it's so important to use a dedicated rule set each and every time, since computers don't have emotions and therefore have unlimited patience. Finally, our strategic double-down level at 477 is triggered, and price bounces from that level above our cost basis for a quick scalp. The moment we've waited for is here. Price retests $5 and Raider Trading sells for maximum profit. We walk away with close to $1,800 in 25 minutes of working the price action. Can't complain about that. If you want to see how the software works, link is below. New trade recap every day. Subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.